Every time? Well, this is first
Every
one.
fish. I can't see it. Oh my, Bobby. What up, boneheads? What's up, Bob?
Howdy.
Got a little fishing challenge today.
Called Don't Smell the Salt.
Smelling salt. Whoever catches a fish, the other person has to take a whiff.
I'm going over it. I wanted to cast right there.
Look at all that room you have right
I know,
there.
but I had already picked where I wanted to go.
Look at those little bitty turtles on that tire. See 'em?
Oh, turtles.
Cute little things.
I think about telling that when we first time we went to where did we go? Tom Soul's with us at Logan.
Oh,
Soul rode in the nice.
good one.
Rode in the cart. When Leah pushed him around.
Oh, he ain't done.
Yes.
Ah.
6 pound and a half.
Thank you for netting it. Good, sir.
Oh, baby. Where'd he go? No, you come out here. Come here.
We double up.
I think so. Yeah. I feel him now.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Son.
Let it go right there. I saw him. He was smaller here. There's cool spots on him. No!
Yeah.
Look at that smell some.
I don't want to kill it. Oh, you got to open the thing.
Oh, I didn't know it was already. I thought you had already opened it.
Why you push it in? Not throw that in the water. You take a good whiff. I hope you don't catch any fish because these things suck. Woo! Who knows?
I don't like you. It was fine with the first little whiff I had. Oh, my eye is falling out of my head. Is my eye melting? Feels like
Yes,
my left eye is
yes.
melting.
You'll be able to smell though. You'll be able to smell into the past.
It moves some stuff into the way.
Give it a minute.
Fine.
Give it a minute. It'll.
Oh, dude. I don't like that.
He came back. Oh! How do you got 6 hooks. How do you not get smashed?
Where did you come from? Got this long ass gray hair.
Not a bad one. Oh. Oh, he choked it too.
Other specialty cheddar. Oh, you look good though.
Don't even throw out.
Every time? Well, this is first
Every
one.
fish.
I get a chance to catch one the next cat.
And then I'll have to do it.
It's open enough. I wasn't even that close.
You don't have to be.
I can't open my eyes. Got me right in the other nostril this time.
Turtles are out. I've seen a couple turtles.
Yeah, one over there.
Good one.
Little sniff.
A little sniff for a little fish.
Don't even want to do it again. The third time. I'm holding it.
Oh yeah. Can't wait to do this when we're both catching 20 fish apiece.
Your thing don't look too much different, man. That's a fish. Same fish you caught.
Doubt it.
Yes.
Nice.
Big sniff.
Let me bring my stuff in.
I caught a fish.
Caught a fish. I'm glad my sinuses are.
There we go. Dave's made that little bastard.
A lot better now, ain't it? Yeah, I think they're right here.
You just got it, you're right. Oh my god. There we go. How did I do that? Turtle. Oh yeah, I was saying earlier when we were at that one park and Lee was pulling the kids around in the cart. That's a good one, dude. Oh my god.
Your freaking
Please,
tackle boxes in
please
the.
don't break. Please don't break. Holy
Be easy. I can't see it. Oh my, Bobby. Ah, yeah! Oh my God, that's PB, baby.
That's me. Holy fuck. That's a big fucking fish.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, Will.
Yes, sir.
My lure's in the water.
Yes, sir.
You caught him and the lure came out.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god. That's 5.
I think it's more.
I think it's more too.
Don't you lose him.
It on there? I don't trust that little group.
Oh, that's 6. Oh no, it's 498.
Is it? It's still my PB.
It's 498. Look at that belly. Hold on, we gotta do that again. We gotta make sure.
I'm just a little shaken.
Yeah, 498. All right, that should be good.
The power. Ooh. Dude.
Nice.
PB. It wasn't 5, but fucking close as I could get. 0.02 away from 5.
Nice, Bobby. Jesus. I gotta sniff some
I thought
salts.
that first little one made my day. I just made my whole fucking year so far. Oh yeah, get you a big one for that one. Wilbur. Holy shit, wind. Took me to the bank.
All I can say is you're lucky that you have such a good net man.
Yeah,
I found a
you too.
a hat at Academy. It just says net man.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm almost about to get this for Bobby.
I can wear it.
What are you, hungry or something? What are you doing?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. You want to hear a joke?
I do.
What is the female equivalent to teabagging? A flappuccino.
Yeah.
Ah, yes!
That's a hoss too.
Yeah, it ain't big as yours, but it's a big fish. Oh man, we are straight smacking them. Not even smacking them, we're just catching big fish. Oh,
I love
Bobby.
for like these be the 3 hanging out, but we just cut the smaller 2.
Oh my God.
Yeah, dude. They're
He's a hoss, dude.
Chunky belly.
Oh man, he's 4.
Yep.
3.5. 3.5.
Damn. Need to have its mouth. Pretty good.
Oh yeah, here you go. Here's just a bottle of smelling salts I just randomly found.
Are we past that yet? We
No.
hit 5 pounds. I'll sniff it if you catch one bigger than mine.
No. I love this game.
You just do like a slow retrieve.
I mess it around.
I try to I get my slack in and I try to do make it for a second and then
Yeah.
just
That's
act
good.
sporadic. Yes, it is.
Nice. Is that a good one?
No. But it is a third fish. Man, dude, how'd you do that?
Oh God.
Hey, buddy, I'm sorry. But
Jeez, Bob.
still for a sec? Oh my god.
Ah.
Foul hooked him. Hooked him to the bottom of his mouth. Eat it?
Basically. He's stupid. Jesus.
Holy shit.
That's why I told you not to do that. And that concludes the day. Bobby caught big fish, and nobody skunked. Good day.
3.
All right, good boy.